Hey y'all, it's Rose and I'm back with another video, and today we are talking all about the updates with Navy Federal and how they will be accruing your interest. Please make sure you stay to the end of this video because I am going to show y'all. I called Navy Federal individually myself just to confirm the information to make sure that everything that's being put out there is accurate info that I give y'all today. So make sure you stay to the end of the video because I'm going to be teaching you how you can open a free non-military bank account with Navy Federal. So stay to the end so you can get those. Now, I have been getting a lot of people sending me this information. So basically what happened was Navy Federal sent out an email to everybody, and I'm going to link the email above. I've gotten the email starting probably at the end of July, basically saying that they were going to be making some updates on how the interest rate on your current credit cards would be accruing. And the updates are going to start as of October the 1st. It also said in the email that if you decide that you don't like the way that this is, the only option you would have is to close your actual credit cards. Now, in a time right now where people are the most financially stable, the last thing you want to have is even higher interest rates on what you currently owe on your credit cards. So I was like, oh my God, this is a huge change. I want to get more information because I started seeing people make videos on Instagram, and I wanted to make sure that, especially because I have 3 credit cards with them, I wanted to make sure that it's not going to be something that is going to affect us all here with my community. So I did call Navy Federal, and I'm going to get into that in a moment. So basically, what the email is saying is they're going to be changing the way that they accrue interest. Instead of doing it on a monthly basis, it's going to be based on a daily basis balance. Now, that sounds like they're going to charge you interest on a daily basis and it's going to be much higher, but it's actually a little bit different. So I wanted to break that down for y'all, and I made some notes about it. So originally, Navy Federal has something called an average daily balance model, which pretty much means that they are taking your average balance currently over the course of the month and then multiplying it by your monthly interest rate. And that's how they would normally get your actual interest rate that will be charged on whatever balances you have on your credit card. But now they switch things over to where they're going to be accruing it on a monthly basis and then adding that up at the end of the month. So the only difference that it really makes is, on average, you're going to pay about 40 cents more in interest per every $1,000 that you have as a balance on your credit card. So it's only additional 40 cents. A balance of maybe $5,000 on your credit card, that will only be an additional $2. If you had a $10,000 balance, that will only be an additional $4, so on and so forth. So it is not a dramatic increase on your actual interest, because I know that would affect a lot of people negatively. So I just wanted to let you guys know how that breakdown is and put that out there. Now, originally, Navy Federal accrued their interest a little bit different on credit cards. That was more beneficial for us consumers. That's why I love Navy Federal as a whole, because you can have a great personal account with them and they give you limits out the gate, anywhere from $10, $20, $30,000 on all of their credit cards, and you can get up to 3 credit cards with them. So of course, for my people who already have Navy, you don't want to be paying any more additional interest than you already have to. But the main thing for you guys to know is that the model that they switched to is what most banks are already doing anyway, and it's not something that is a dramatic difference. And I want to make sure that y'all are keeping your money, as much as possible. I think it is really important for everybody to understand what's going on. If you like this type of content, please give me a big thumbs up below and make sure that you do subscribe. I try to put out new information for you guys as I learn about the changes that are going on in the financial realm, because I want to be as knowledgeable as I can for y'all and give you the real and not just the fluff that can be on the internet at times. So I'm glad we got that cleared up. It's still one of my faves. And if you don't know why, I'm going to tell you. Number one, you can get a non-military bank account with them. If you want more information about how you can do that, just comment Navy and I'll send you the full details so you can call in and open your personal bank account with them for free today. And now, once you open up your bank account with them, like I said, they give really great high limits on your personal credit cards. If you need to get an auto loan, they have really good auto loan options. They, of course, also do home loans as well. And overall, any credit union is always going to be more forthcoming with financing you, giving you options. If you're going through any type of hardships, they actually have hardship plans. Like here in Houston, when Hurricane Beryl happened, they actually had disaster loans that they were giving out, you know, for the people who qualified. And if you already had a loan with them, they were increased limit and amount was. So they do a lot of things for the community. And of course, we want high limits and great approvals with low interest rates as much as possible. So I still, number one, recommend Navy Federal. They have not switched up on us. They're just making tweaks. In conclusion, let me know what questions you guys may have about Navy Federal today. Anything that you might need about any products or services that they are offering. I make a lot of content about personal and business credit and funding because I want to help you get the funding you need. If you're looking to purchase a home, I want to help you purchase a vehicle, get high limit credit cards, and of course, repair your credit. So please make sure that you join me in Rose Credit Academy. Every Tuesday at 7:30 Central PM, I host a live disputing class where I will teach you how to fix your own credit. I will get on Zoom with you one-on-one. You'll give me your login so I can pull up your credit report, and I will go over it in full to teach you how to not only build and boost your credit scores, but also repair and remove any of those negative accounts that are on your credit report, whether it be collections, charge-offs, inquiries, late payments, whatever you need help with. I am here to help you take your credit score to the 700s in just a few months. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to the video. I appreciate you so much. Make sure that you subscribe and share this video with somebody who has Navy Federal or is interested in joining with them, because I can help them get a free account. Just comment Navy below. And if you've made it all the way to the end of this video, let me know you made it in the comments. Just comment I made it. And until next time, thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.